Hi guys, welcome back to Junrys Vlog Reaction. For today's video reaction, let's go to our favorite country, which is Russia. Privet and spasiba to our Russian friends. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And the title of this video, as you can see on my thumbnail, this is a performance of our favorite singer artist all the way from Russia, no other than Diana Ankudinova, performing Blizzard in the Sky, November 29, 2021. Ready to the honor also with the video to Dr. Doom. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video. And if you're new to my channel, just click on subscribe button, click on notification bell so that you'll be updated on our future uploads. And if you have some comments and suggestion related to Diana Anкудинова or any Russian artist that you can suggest, please drop it in the comment section. I'd love to read and respond you all and make your video request. And I would like to thank you to all the people who came in our previous video reaction and even leave their comments. I'll put in here. Thank you so much guys for being such a big support in my channel also. Please enjoy this amazing performance of Diana, and I really want to hear also with you at the comment section what are your thoughts with regards to her performance. And please turn on the CC down there for your Russian. Wow, thank you so much for this one. Subtitles. Let's get to it. Enjoy guys.
Сводит с ума, и опять не уснуть в доме пуста. Самым белым вьюга, мой укрой, где-то ты засыпаешь.
Hearing with her as always is the tone that very down, but it's so clear that you enjoyed to listen. She will bring you into the other dimension. This is so like magical once you will listen to her and seeing her costume, seeing her outfit. Wow, Diana is so amazing as always, and she will give you surprises every time she will perform. And she's beautiful, talented, and perfection. The way how she just performed, those emotions that you can feel, that the way how she just attacks slowly with the song. Bravo. Wow.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, самым белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
This is impeccable and astonishing performance. Like, it's so easy, it's so calm, the sophistication, the sweetness of her voice, the way she just performed, giving those like amazing and unique voice that she will delivered in this amazing Blizzard song. fantastic and so phenomenal. As always, she will give you this like different tone that you will enjoy, that it's always been like, if you're closing your eyes, you will know that this is Diana singing because of the modulation and the vibrato that she will give. That, oh my god, that's so incredible and lovely to listen as always. The uniqueness of her voice that's giving you cringe and loving it.
Здравствуйте. Поздравляю вас с Рождеством, с наступившим Новым годом.
Oh.
Желаю, чтобы все ваши мечты сбывались, и чтобы вы никогда
Yeah,
не
Merry
оглядывались
Christmas
назад,
and
а
Happy
шли
New
только
Year.
вперед к своей цели и мечте.
Happy holidays, everyone. Oh. Oh, it's like a mashup.
За моим окном серебряно-ночно, в облаках видна желтая луна, льет она свой свет миллионы лет, и плывет земля в звездные поля, и течет под покровом льда Млечная река. А мне бы да успеть сердце обогреть, синие птицы в небо улететь, в небо улететь.
This song is so like so Diana, and this song is like, it's a written song that for her. This is just like a signature of Diana. It's like breathtaking and sickening watching with her. It's like insanely great and good the way she will perform, that you will have a joy in your heart and enjoying listening with her. That's so amazing, and I'm always happy and thankful that listening to Diana, it's give you a happy moment as always. Crazy, I love this.
В небо улететь, синие птицы даль, утолить печаль, до заря гореть, до заря гореть. Знаю точно я, там любовь моя ждет она меня на излете дня. И как в юности там идут дожди, летние дожди. Господи, прости, в сердце тает лед, да горит заря. Когда я вернусь, ты прости меня. А мне бы да успеть сердце обогреть, синие птицы в небо улететь, в небо улететь. В небо улететь, синие птицы даль.
Oh my god, this is a superb performance of her. The emotion that she conveyed. Oh my god, she executed and delivered this song amazingly, and she nailed and killed with this amazing song. I love it. I enjoyed it listening. This is such an amazing, beautiful, and phenomenal Diana. I'm so loving it, your performance. That's so incredible and fantastic. Whew, you're having fun, and I'm having fun also.
Утолить печаль, до заря гореть, до заря гореть. Господи, прости.
праздником!
Ваши аплодисменты.
Beautiful.
Диана, благодарим вас за поддержку. Вы своим примером вселяете надежду в сердца многих детей.
Спасибо большое, мне очень приятно быть здесь
Спасибо.
сегодня. Спасибо, с праздником
I
еще
would like
раз.
to cut in here, guys. I know that they will give an amazing and positive feedback of the way this performance, Blizzard song. It was like a mesmerizing performance, beautiful, amazing. It's like the timbre or the timbre that she is giving it. It's so beautiful and amazing. And it's like mind blowing. That give you chills and goosebumps the way Diana, she gave it a nice and amazing performance on this one. So wonderful and incredible. Oh my God, I enjoyed it so much. I hope guys you enjoyed it too. And if you have some additional information with regards to Diana performances on this one, please drop it in the comment section. If you really want to see the full video and connect with the owner of the video, I'll put in the description box below. If you like this video guys, same as I did, just give a massive thumbs up. Like and share, subscribe also with my channel. This is Junrys Vlogadag React saying stay humble, so positive guys. If you want to connect, my social media account is in here. If you want to connect my second channel, it's in the description box below. Thank you so much, and PASIBA to our Russian friends. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. God bless po, and see you in my next video reaction.